Dear participants, CPEC has been at the heart of our economic transformation plan, and we have left no quarter to declare its necessity for addressing our economic woes. Our sincere effort to make it inclusive, transparent, and attractive for all global and regional players with the aim of bringing its benefit to everyone. Let me also emphasize that while CPEC remains central to our vision, only seeing Pakistan through CPEC prism is also misleading. Our immensely vital geostrategic location and a transformed vision makes us a country of immense and diverse potential, which can very positively contribute to regional development and prosperity. The vision, however, remains incomplete without a stable and peaceful South Asia. Our efforts for reviving SAARC, therefore, are with the same purpose. Our effort for peace in Afghanistan and responsible and mature behavior in crisis situation with India manifest our desire to change the narrative of geopolitical contestation to geo-economic integration. We are doing our bit, but a major contribution is to be made by the global players through their cooperation. I am sure that an economically integrated South Asia is much more suited to them instead of war-torn, crisis-ridden, and destabilized zone. We also have a hope in the form of incoming US administration, which can transform the traditional contestation into a gainful economic win-win for the world in general and the region in particular. South Asia can be the starting point for regional cooperation. I have firm belief that economic and sustainable human development can guide us into a future full of peace and prosperity. And finally, it is time that we in South Asia create synergy through connectivity, peaceful coexistence, resource sharing to fight hunger, illiteracy, and disease instead of fighting each other. I thank you.